Hello friends, welcome to Dilava Tech. Today we are going to learn how to make a professional resume. You can make it from your Android mobile phone, but if you want to make a professional resume, then I suggest use computer. First we go to browser and open office.com. Then templates, then search for resume. Here you will find lots of resume templates. You can choose any of them. I download one template. And now it's time to edit the Word file. Click on Enable Editing. Change your name, educational qualification as your wish. Now I change the picture. Right click on this picture, then change picture. I want to adjust this picture as per sample photo, so I crop this picture. Now I save this file in PDF format. Friends, see, it looks like a professional resume. If you find this video is good, like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks.